Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do adding three numbers but in story problems. So as I read the story problem, remember we need to circle the important numbers and then we underline the question and then we can solve the problem together. So here we go. Dot wants ice cream. She eats 6, so circle 6, scoops of chocolate, 3 scoops of vanilla, and 9 scoops of strawberry. How many scoops did she eat in all? And I'm going to box in all because those are important words. That means we're adding. So now I'm going to try my equation. The first addend was 6. The next addend was 3. And what was the last addend? 9. Good. Okay, so we can find two numbers that we can add together first. 6 plus 3. Let's try that. 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, now we have 9 plus 9. That's a doubles. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then do 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 5, 10, 15, 18. She ate 18 scoops of ice cream. Good. Okay, let's try number 2 together. Greg wants sprinkles on his ice cream. He adds 4, circle 4, blue sprinkles, 2 pink sprinkles, and 8 yellow sprinkles. Now let's underline the question. How many sprinkles did he add in all? And then we're going to box in all because those are our important words. So we have 4, 8, and 2. So let's draw 4 sprinkles, 8 sprinkles, and 2 sprinkles. Well, I see that I can move these ones up here and make a 10 and then add 4 more. So what is 10 plus 4? 14. Very good. 14 sprinkles. Nice. That was pretty easy, right? All right. Now we're just doing some more on the back, except this time you might see a plus 2. So if it's plus 2, you just count 2 numbers after the big number. So, for example, the first one is 19 plus 1, so that's going to be 20. But 12 plus 2, we would go 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. There's that 19 plus 1 again, that's 20. 2 plus 12, we just saw that one. So there's no reason to add it again because we already know the answer is 14. Okay, so go ahead and keep going through that. And then if you see a 12 plus 2, just remember the answer is what? 14. Good job, boys and girls.